Elon Musk unveils Tesla's revolutionary new engine set to transform the EV industry. Forget gas stations. Ditch the dinosaur juice. Because the future of driving just got a whole lot more electrifying. That's right, gearheads and green warriors, buckle up. Because Elon Musk just dropped a bomb on the auto industry, and it's about to change the game faster than you can say self-driving taxi. What is up, car-computer exchange fam? Today we're ditching the oil changes and revving our engines for a whole new kind of power. We're talking about Tesla's latest and greatest innovation, a revolutionary engine that's set to send shockwaves through the EV industry. You know Tesla, the kings and queens of electric vehicles, always pushing the boundaries and leaving gas guzzlers in the dust. Well, move over, dust bunnies, because this new engine is about to blow the competition clean off the road. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty and see how Tesla's about to redefine what it means to drive electric. The world of electric vehicles, EVs, is abuzz with excitement following Elon Musk's unveiling of Tesla's latest innovation, the hairpin motor. This revolutionary technology promises to be a game-changer, potentially disrupting the auto industry and redefining the future of electric driving. The hairpin motor's arrival carries echoes of the seismic shift that smartphones brought to the communication landscape. It signifies a significant leap forward in EV technology, potentially relegating gasoline-powered vehicles to the realm of outdated relics. With its focus on clean, efficient power, the hairpin motor has the potential to alleviate range anxiety, a major hurdle for widespread EV adoption. Small package, big punch. The hairpin motor boasts a trifecta of advantages that make it a truly groundbreaking development. These benefits offer significant improvements over existing EV technology. Compact design. The hairpin design allows for a smaller motor footprint. This translates to sleeker car designs, potentially freeing up valuable cabin space for passengers and cargo. Lightweight construction. Every pound shed from a car's weight contributes to increased efficiency and range. The hairpin motor's lighter weight achieves both, extending the distance a car can travel on a single charge. Enhanced efficiency. Efficiency is the holy grail for EVs, and the hairpin motor delivers in spades. By squeezing more miles out of every charge, it reduces range anxiety and makes EVs an even more compelling choice for environmentally conscious consumers. How hairpin motors work. To fully appreciate the impact of the hairpin motor, we need to delve into the inner workings of electric motors and understand what makes the hairpin design so special. From electrons to motion, electric vehicles rely on electric motors to convert the energy stored in the battery into the power that propels the car forward. Here's the core principle. Electricity flows through coils of wire in a component called the stator. This creates a magnetic field, which in turn interacts with another magnetic field in a rotating component called the rotor. The interaction between these magnetic fields generates a force that makes the rotor spin. This rotational motion is then transferred to the wheels, driving the car forward. The invisible engine at work. Imagine the stator and rotor as two sides of a silent tug-of-war played out with invisible forces. The stator's magnetic field tries to pull or push on the rotor's magnetic field. This back-and-forth action creates the rotational force that propels the vehicle. Stator versus rotor. The stator, the stationary part of the motor, houses the wire coils mentioned earlier. These coils can be powered by either permanent magnets or electromagnets, creating two distinct types of electric motors. Permanent magnet motors. These motors utilize fixed magnets in the rotor to generate a constant magnetic field. While highly efficient at highway speeds, they can struggle with rapid acceleration. Induction motors. These motors rely on electromagnets in the stator to create a rotating magnetic field. This design makes them excellent for quick acceleration, but less efficient at cruising speeds. A legacy of innovation paves the way. Tesla isn't new to pushing the boundaries of electric motor technology. In fact, the company has been designing its own drive unit since its inception, choosing to forge its own path rather than rely on existing technologies. This commitment to innovation has positioned Tesla as a leader in the EV industry. Permanent magnet versus induction motors, tailoring power to performance needs. Tesla demonstrates its innovative spirit by strategically utilizing both permanent magnet and induction motors in its vehicles, depending on the configuration. Rear-wheel drive setups typically benefit from permanent magnet motors due to their efficiency at highway cruising speeds. Dual-motor Teslas add an induction motor to the front wheels. This combination allows Tesla to optimize power delivery for different driving scenarios, providing both the efficiency needed for highway cruising and the punch required for quick acceleration. Alright, gearheads and green warriors, halfway through this electric odyssey, and we've dissected the hairpin motor like a Tesla in a repair shop, but hopefully with less drama. Anyone feeling a surge of electricity for this new tech, or are you still stuck in neutral on the excitement scale? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll keep the electrons flowing in the second half of this video. Now that we've cracked open the electric motor and explored its inner workings, let's dive deeper into the heart of the revolution, the hairpin motor. This innovation isn't just a fancy name. It represents a significant leap forward for Tesla's plaid vehicles and potentially the entire EV industry. Imagine a motor that's smaller, lighter, and packs a bigger punch. That's the essence of the hairpin motor. Unlike traditional round wire motors, the hairpin motor utilizes, you guessed it, hairpin-shaped copper coils within the stator. These coils fold back on themselves, creating a design advantage with a catchy name. More than just looks. The hairpin design isn't just about aesthetics, although it does look pretty cool. It offers several key benefits that translate to real-world performance improvements for EVs. Higher fill factor. Picture the stator as a puzzle. Traditional round wires leave gaps like empty spaces in the puzzle. Hairpin coils, on the other hand, fill that space more efficiently, allowing for a stronger magnetic field. Think of it as having more puzzle pieces to complete the picture. A stronger magnet means a stronger pull on the rotor, translating to more torque and better acceleration. Smaller stator, bigger efficiency. By maximizing space utilization, the hairpin design allows for a smaller stator. This might seem insignificant, but a smaller stator means less copper wire is needed, leading to lower copper losses, energy wasted as heat. Less wasted energy translates to more efficient operation and potentially more miles per charge. Bonus advantages. Hairpin motors come with a whole toolbox of additional benefits. Simpler assembly. Gone are the days of meticulously winding round wires. Hairpin coils are easier to handle and assemble, streamlining the production process. Lower risk of failure. The robust design of hairpin coils reduces the risk of vibrations and potential breakdowns, leading to a longer lifespan for the motor. Improved heat management. With less copper crammed into a smaller space, hairpin motors experience better heat dissipation, keeping the motor cooler and operating more efficiently. Easier winding and no stator lacing. Remember that tedious puzzle analogy? Hairpin coils eliminate the need for intricate lacing techniques, further simplifying the manufacturing process. A ripple across the EV pond. The innovative spirit behind the hairpin motor isn't confined to Tesla's garage. Car companies like Volkswagen, BMW, and General Motors are recognizing the potential of this technology and are starting to incorporate hairpin motors into their own EV designs. This widespread adoption is a testament to the significant advantages hairpin motors offer. However, implementing this technology isn't a walk in the park. Precision is key. Bending and welding copper hairpins into the precise shapes needed requires a high degree of accuracy. Any slight imperfections can lead to electrical losses and negate the benefits of the design. Tesla, ever the innovator, has tackled this challenge head-on. They've developed custom software that simulates millions of hairpin motor designs, analyzing factors like magnetic fields and electric current flow. This allows them to identify the optimal configuration for maximum performance and efficiency. A green revolution. Under the hood, Tesla isn't just focused on performance. They're also committed to sustainability. Their recent announcement regarding the next generation of motors highlights this focus. They plan to eliminate the use of rare earth metals altogether. A win for the environment. Rare earth metals are essential components in some electric motors, but their mining can have a significant environmental impact. By removing the need for these materials, Tesla is taking a major step towards a more sustainable future for electric vehicles. Thanks for watching. Look out for the next upload. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on our next video.